It is officially my birthday weekend. So it is Friday, February 7th, the day before my birthday. I just dropped my kids off. I am kid-free. The back seat is empty, and I took off of work today. So I am going to go to try to get my nails done and get my eyebrows done before my spa appointment I have today. A coworker of mine gave me one of her, I guess it's like a special room you sit in when after you rub like the body clay or mud or whatever all over yourself, and you sit in this room. But anyway, she is a member at that spa, so she let me have one of her spa passes, one of her passes for that particular room. And then I had scheduled a massage, so I'm gonna go do that at 12:30. It's 9:30 now, so I'm gonna try to get my nails and eyebrows in before then. So I'm gonna take you guys along with me. As you can tell, I'm super excited because I don't do this very often. In fact, the last time I went to a spa was last year on my birthday. In the future, I'm gonna try to make it more of a priority to get to the spa. But anyway, I'm gonna take you guys with me. We're gonna go and do our little pamper day, and then tonight I'm going out with a couple of my coworkers for dinner. So I will bring you all along and see you there. Okay, so I'm back and it has stopped raining, thank goodness. I got my toes done, which was, it was okay. I think he did a better job on my hands, they're very ashy right now, than he did on my
use the right lane to keep right to merge onto US 50 west toward Washington.
Okay. Then he did on my toes. So
right.
My toes look kind of crusty and busted. The polish. He did a good job cleaning them, but like, it's whatever. I should have just driven to the girl who I always go to. Not always, like I always get my toes done, but like always, like usually if I get my toes done, I go to this specific girl, lady, woman. But it's all good. So I am on my way to the spa now. I haven't, let's see.
In 5.7 miles, take exit 7 beyond to I-95 North, then I-495 North toward Baltimore.
I wasn't quite sure how to get to where I was going from where I was, so that's why I have the GPS going. But anyway, that's what I'm doing. It's super windy today. It's like a tornado watch or something. And some places near here, I live in the DMV, some places near here have actually gotten tornadoes. Not near here like 5 minutes, but like in the V of the DMV, and they got tornadoes and people are like super scared. So we'll see you all when I am at the spa. I don't want to invade anybody's privacy or make anybody feel super awkward, so I'm not going to be vlogging when if I'm in an area where there are other people, I won't vlog, but I'll try to show you as much as I can. Alrighty, see you later. So I am in the blue grotto room. You can't see because it's like super dark in here, but it's so nice. Thank you so much, Chezia, if she's watching. So here's all the mud. Oh, you can't see, it's so dark. Here's the scrub, and those are all the muds and stuff, and that's the steam room right there. So nice. And then this is where you shower. Yeah, this is definitely ideal for a date. Too bad, so sad. I'm probably the cleanest I've ever been at this point because I showered this morning before I left the house. Then I showered again at the spa after the mud room situation. and all I've been doing is going in and out of stores, and it's freezing outside, so I'm not sweating, not even a little bit. So now I'm on my way to go get the big one, and then I'm gonna get the little one, and hopefully we can get back home by 6 o'clock, so I have around 45 minutes to get dressed and whatnot. So I'm excited. I've had a wonderful day. I need my glasses right now because the sun is blinding. But yeah, I'm so, like, I've had the best day. This morning, going to get my nails done, then getting my eyebrows done, then going to the spa. Like, that is the best thing. Like, I need to do that like more often. I feel so recharged and rejuvenated, and tonight I'm gonna go. I really haven't eaten today, but I don't feel hungry. I had a Lara bar. I had a Lara bar, the chocolate chip cookie dough one is so good. I had that, and then I had some trail mix at the spa. So greens with every meal. So I am back home. The sitter just left, and I had such a good time. Today was just such a good day. My heart is just full. Like, honestly, I feel rejuvenated. I feel, you know, I just feel good. It was a good day. Obviously, I had a couple drinks tonight, not too much, just like 2 drinks, which were very good. And I had French fries for the first time in a very long time since I've been dieting. And I drank a Monster before I went out because, you know, mom life, I'm not built like that at this point, even though I'm still in my 20s. Yeah. But my coworker, she surprised me with a vegan cake, and I'm like, it's so like we literally just made plans to like go out this week, like within this week, and it's just amazing that, you know, she was able to reach out to find someone who could do a vegan cake, and she ordered a vegan cake and had it already there at the lounge that we went to for desserts. It was just really thoughtful, and I don't know, like, my heart is just full, you know? I am so appreciative, and it's not even my birthday yet. Well, technically, I guess it is my birthday. It's after midnight, but I have a hunch that my family is planning something, so we will see. So I haven't really had a good celebration of my birthday. Not that I've been wanting it, like wanting it, because other things were going on. But this year I just decided, like, let me celebrate my birthday. You know what I mean? Like, let me actually celebrate my birthday. I just have on a big t-shirt. Like, I just came home. I didn't take my face off. This makeup is pretty, honestly, minimal. Like, I could have probably contoured some, but I just did some eyeshadow. I obviously did like a little bit of foundation and powder and Fix Plus all over my face. And mascara, and I just got my brows done today, so they were easy to just fill in. So yeah, what was I talking about? I don't know.
These news reporters have zoo people come in, and a lot of them have phobias to snakes, and they just freak out. It's the most funniest thing. So he's gonna bury this snake hat on dirt. This way, once it's in, it can't get out.
Wait. Go to sleep. Shut it down.